Hi, this is Dr. Darwin, the new dentist coach, with another dental residency and dental school quick tip. I like to bring these quick tips to you so you can just have some real good information that you can utilize and apply ASAP as part of either your application process or you're getting ready to apply either for dental school or for dental residency, or even today's tip can even be used for those of you that are interviewing for jobs as an associate somewhere. So today's quick tip is the following. It deals with you sharing with either the school or the residency program or the employer about something about you, something that's unique about you. And one of the things I can tell you as a current program director for a GPR program, one of the things that we want to know is not only why you, but how are you going to contribute to the program? All right? How are you going to contribute to the program? So that may be a question that you may get in dental school. You may get it as an associate, but you're also going to get it as a potential resident. How are you going to contribute to the program? All right? And you got to think about what programs are thinking about, or what schools are thinking about, or what employers are thinking about. They're not necessarily thinking about what you can do, what they can do for you. You should be thinking about what you can do for them. So if you're in dental school, you need to be thinking about, how am I going to contribute to the dental school community? Or how am I going to contribute to maybe the mission of the dental school? Some dental schools have different missions based on their location or just based on the history of the school. That's something that you're going to have to find out, basically online or something similar to that on their website. For dental residency programs, same thing. The mission. What's the mission of the program? How can I not only get a chance to grow from the residency and learn and absorb and get some more advanced training, but in exchange for that, how am I going to contribute to the program? So you may have that question. And this definitely applies for those of you that are getting ready to interview for associateship positions. Same thing. All right, it's not just about you as an associate. Yes, you may have a lot of student debt. Yes, you've got bills to pay and things like that. Yes, you have a concern about how you're going to be compensated, but there's this one quote I heard from somebody. It's not about what you get, it's about what you give. When you give, you eventually and ultimately get. So you got to give to get. So how are you going to contribute, or what kind of contribution are you going to give to the program, to the school, and to the practice, so that you can get what you want? All right. So think about that. Think about that during this process, during the application process and interview process for either dental school, residency, or for jobs. How are you going to contribute to that school? How are you going to contribute to that program? How are you going to contribute to that office? All three of them are unique, but you've got to figure out what is needed and wanted at all three of those different places. So again, think about today's quick tip is formulating your answer as to how you're going to contribute to that program or to that office. This is Dr. Darwin Hayes, the new dentist coach. You can follow me on Instagram at Smile Dr. Darwin. If you have questions or tips, or you want to have me talk about something more specific, shoot me an email right here, newdentistcoach at gmail.com, newdentistcoach at gmail.com. And if you have a question, you ask it, and we'll get it answered. Thanks so much for your time. And remember, quick tip today is, how are you going to contribute to the program? If you haven't thought about your answer yet, start taking down some notes. That question will come up. Thanks. Take care.